Hi and welcome to a new video. Voice isolation in iOS helps isolate and improve voice quality for FaceTime and phone calls. In this video, I will show you how you can enable this feature during your calls on your iPhone. Let's go. Before you try this feature, here are some things you need to know. First, you need an iOS 15 or later to enable voice isolation during FaceTime audio or video calls. Regular phone calls, on the other hand, require iOS 16.4 or later. Unfortunately, voice isolation is only available on select devices, such as iPhone XR, iPhone XS models and later, iPad 8th generation and later, all iPad Pro 11-inch models, iPad Pro 12.9-inch 3rd generation and later, iPad Air 3rd generation and later, and lastly, iPad mini 5th generation and later. Please note that voice isolation must be enabled for each app that you are using to make a call. While on an active phone call, open the Control Center and tap on Mic Mode. From there, simply select Voice Isolation from the listed options. And that's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.